Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do some fun experiments with the help of this kit. So let's get started with some fun magic. Today I am going to use my amazing science kit. All this equipment is inside this kit. With this science kit, we can do fun and exciting experiment. Let's start our first experiment. Colorful fireworks in the water. First I fill the flask with water, then we use oil and 2 food color. Then I mixed food color with oil. Now we mix it. Mix it well. Now I pour it into the water. Look! The colors are falling like fireworks. Isn't that amazing? Science behind it. Oil and water do not mix. The color goes into the water and creates firework pattern. Oil is lighter than water, so it floats. Science is fun and beautiful. Second experiment, magic balloon. First, I pour vinegar into the bottle. Then I put baking soda in the balloon. Now I fix the balloon and drop the powder. Now let's drop it. Look, the balloon is inflating on its own. Vinegar and baking soda makes carbon dioxide gas. This gas fills the balloon. Gas takes up space, so the balloon expands. Science is full of surprise. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.